Hello and welcome to Elvenly Railways. What follows next is the October edition. I had my friends Martin and Simon from the band Attrition come to stay. It's a band that I've played guitar with in the past, and they've done loads of albums over the years. They had to get on the railway, had some fun. They subscribe to the channel and keep up to date with all the ridiculous things I'm doing. So yeah, hope you enjoy this. What was that?
No, it's nothing. It's my train.
It's
my
I
station.
recommend this band.
It's my station master's band.
Oh, is that what it is? Right, I've got Simon and Martin from Attrition with me.
Good evening.
And Simon's been following my YouTube channel, haven't you? And I'm sure Martin will as well.
I've seen a few actually, yeah. I've subscribed actually.
Excellent. Oh, brilliant. So I'm here with two subscribers from the band Attrition from Coventry. And they're going to be, we've done a little bit of a ride and we're going to do a bit more now. So yeah, I'm gonna pass Simon out on Ivy now. So what you got, Simon? You've got the on-off switch, and you've got the power, and you've got the direction there, and you can tell the time there if you want to tell the time, and you can blow the horn gently, or use the bell, or if anything goes horribly wrong, just pull that out.
Yeah.
And then we have got lights as well if it does get too dark on this long trek that we're just about to. Yes, the mad and wise speed control.
Okay. Cool. We're good.
Okay. So yeah, if you drive too fast, Simon, I can put the brake on in this brake van. How amazing is that? I do trust you. This is it. And this is quite a long train for the Ivy Railway. We've got 4 vehicles behind the engine. There we are, we're off. He's got it. I don't know whether I've given him enough training. He's doing brilliantly so far though. That was stunning. Try the brake van round the curve. You can proceed through the tunnel. I'm scared. I know that. But I've got this just in case. Whoa. Give it some now if we're going to get round here with all these traffic on. He's done it as well. My goodness, absolutely stunning. So I'm just going to brake here just to give it a little bit of a slow down around here, and then we're all right. Absolutely brilliant. this way, facing this way at the front of the train. I'm going to have to stop him before that route. Okay, mate, the brake van going this way can't go beyond the route, so I'll whistle when we get to it. Excellent. Well, that works. And off we go. It feels very different riding this than the coaches, even the one with the roof, because with this you're even more enclosed. It's the most enclosed vehicle on the line for now. Going the other way now with the brake van for the first time, I think. I'm kind of perched here because I'm facing the wrong way. I wanted to capture this. If it goes wrong. Maybe a bit of brake here, a little bit. No. Excellent. That's okay. You're allowed a beer. You're allowed a beer, mate.
Summer holiday.
I've got a beer in there, look, in my Sun Valley Railway mug. There we go. So what do you think, Simon?
That was great, man. Thanks. Yeah, thanks for that.
Anytime, mate.
Brilliant. Yeah,
Yeah.
really enjoyed it.
You did very well. You passed with flying colours.
Just like driving on a sim.
Yeah, that's it.
Very good. I like the tunnel. That was my favourite bit.
Excellent. You're going to come down and decorate it for
Needs some scary
Halloween, I
things.
think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just doing a little shunt now. So just
Sheep
change the
sound
point.
when you change
Yeah,
the points.
the sheep. So yeah, we just took those two off, and we're just backing these green coaches into the station. It's getting a bit heading for dusk now. Slowly. I forgot to take the coaches off.
It's beer that does that.
Right, so we can uncouple like that, easily enough, and then disappear. Go back onto the coaches. Want to pull that point, Mr. Bowes? Oh, they didn't. No, they didn't. Nothing happened. And then backing in onto this train. Oh, I think the Simon going to do the honours? No, he's going to film me doing the honours. Right. This will be long enough to get them up there. So then get forward and put them other one, yeah. It's a bit not great, but I'm hoping I'll go over it. That was my own special code, that was. Don't want to run you over, mate. Right, yeah. Brilliant.
Not sure if it stopped.
And then,
Hang on, the screen's gone off. I'm not sure if it might have stopped, Ian.
what's that, mate?
The
Oh, it's probably still going. It
screen's
does
gone
that.
off. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
and
all
it's
right.
still
Oh, that's all
going.
right, that's all right.
It's great. So it's that point there. Someone wants to get that.
It was for going that way, wasn't it?
I'm going to be proper this time. I'm going to stop before the shed and blow the horn. Be really professional.
That's really professional.
How professional was that? I'm professional, man. I left the lights on, didn't I? Shocking. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And now I can put my brake on properly. You can probably see what I'm doing. I can see what I'm doing. That's in the right hole, isn't it? What did you think of that, Sarah? Were you scared? It's fun though, isn't it? Right, now then. Martin's doing a very good job driving here. What do you think?
Oh, that's pretty good, yeah.
It's pretty good. Alright, mate. Alright, mate. Alright, mate. Boston.
Good evening. Well, I've been enjoying a ride on the Festiniog Railway today.
You were asking him something.
You're asking me about something.
About what?
About this railway.
Anything about it?
Anything?
What's your favourite part of the railway line?
The bit where you get on.
What about the tunnel?
Tunnel's the best bit, easily. Ignore that first bit. But it needs more scary creatures in there, I think.
It's scary when I'm in there.
Fright Festiniog.
Yeah.
That's your Halloween name. I keep, you know, I'm here all week.
That's enough of that. Let's go and investigate the tunnel again.
Hang on, I'm not on yet.
You're not needed anymore.
I'm no longer wanted on my own railway. Guys.